Hey guys, today we're taking a look at the MAXGROOM All-in-One Trimmer. We're going to get it opened up, see what you get, and then we're going to try it out. I want to thank the folks over at MAXGROOM for sponsoring this video, by the way. Just looking here on the back, it is IPX6, and it has a 1200 milliamp battery. So once you get this thing full, it should last you a while. Very well packaged here. Where do y'all want to start? How about let's bring the camera up a little bit closer so you can see better. Okay, we have our trimmer itself. The blades are made from stainless steel, by the way. It's a nice blade there. Magnetic. You just pull it apart. Now, like I said, this is IPX6 waterproof, but I don't know if you really want to wash this part. This is the part you really want to wash. Keep that clean. Stainless steel, don't have to worry about it rusting. A little wider one right here, for somebody with a full beard. I mainly use them for trimming my goatee and mustache and eyebrows. Yeah, eyebrows, guys. Keep them clean and neat. Have a little detailed trimmer there if you want to do some extra styling. Me personally, no, I'm good. Then you have your nose hair trimmer. A full shaver. I never really honestly had much luck with these. Depends on the thickness of your hair, how well they work. You might give it a try. We'll give this one a try and we'll see. And you have your body trimmer, and it's got a little comb on there too. If you want to trim some unseen areas, you can get them all trimmed up and looking neat. See what else we have here. You have your cleaning brush, USB-A to USB-C. By the way, this is USB-C charging. So, if you lose this, just a regular old USB cord will do the trick. A little thank you card, you have your user manual here, your different brushes. Now each one of these brushes is going to fit. This one is going to go on this one, just like so. See how that slides on there? Lock it down, pull it off, easy peasy. That one goes there. 15 millimeter, 11 millimeter, 8 millimeter, and a 4 millimeter. Of course, this one, these are basically the same way. Just slide it in right there like so. Pop that down. A little stiffer on this one. Anyway, that's how that goes on there. We have a 12 millimeter, 9 millimeter, 6 millimeter, and the one that I'm going to use, the 3 millimeter. This is good for just kind of keeping your goatee or beard, whatever, nice and trimmed without looking too short or too long. So what's unique about this trimmer? You know, most trimmers are going to offer your spacers and your different heads and whatnot, but not all of them come with basically a docking station. That is a really nice feature. It has your USB-C port here on the back, so you can plug that in and leave it plugged in all the time at home. You know, if you're out traveling for a day or two, all you need is this in your trimmer. You don't need to take the whole thing. So that's pretty nice. And again, the 12,000 milliamp battery. But all your attachments are going to fit right on here. Actually, we're going to put this one back on there because that's what we're going to try in a moment. It does have little grooves right there and slots inside here. So it will go a particular direction, just like so. And it actually tells you what piece goes on here. That's kind of cool. I think you could probably pretty much put any piece you want. This one shows the body trimmer. Let's see. Yeah, you can put them however you want. You don't have to put it the way it says. Be a rebel. I'm just playing. But anyway, there you go. And another cool thing about this one is it shows your speed and your battery power. That's 2 speeds. Your low speed, push it again, and your high speed. So we are at 100%. So Let's try it out and see how well it works. I'll pop the 3mm on here, like so. There we go. Meet y'all in the bathroom. Okay guys, well normally I would bend over in the sink and trim and put my hand like that to keep hair from going everywhere. But for demonstration purposes, I'm going to just do it like this. Just turn it on. Then just trim away. We're going to speed this thing up because that is actually pulling a little. Yeah, I'm going to be honest with you, it is pulling some of the hairs. I don't know. Down here, it's not bad. Not bad at all. We're going to try the shaver and see if that does better. But that pulls hairs. Oh yeah. That does a fine job right there. Yeah. It actually does a really good job. That full shaver did a really good job. Definitely a plus on that. Now, let's try this one. So if your hair is really long, it's going to pull your hair. But with it trimmed up somewhat, if you keep up with it, it does a good job. And when you get ready to wash it, I personally would take this off and wash this. Just wash it off. And you can just set it out and let it dry. And you could do a quick rinse on that, but I wouldn't really slow it down too much. Well, I'll tell you what, folks, there you have it. It did a good job. One of the things that I would recommend, if you have longer hair that you're trimming, start off with a thicker one. I went back off camera and tried it to see for myself if it did a better job. And if you start off with a little thicker, you know, the bigger one, and don't try to get it so close right off the bat, then it does a much better job. Doesn't pull your hair near as bad. Every once in a while you might catch one, but overall, did a good job. The full shaver part actually did a really good job. It's one of the better ones that I've tried. And, you know, this little station right here makes it really cool. Now, overall, I think it did a fine job. Got a little bit of a learning curve with it. Use the bigger one to start off with, and then you can get a little closer. Kind of like mowing the yard. You know, if you have your mowing deck too low and you're trying to mow, bogs down and pushes the grass out of the way more so than cutting it. Start off a little higher, basically a little thicker, and get it trimmed out a little bit. Then you can work your way down and get it manicured the way you want it. If you do it that way, it's going to do a fine job for you. And if you want to check this out for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can do so. You also might want to check out this playlist right over here. Might be something in there that perks your interest. Hey, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.